Question 2 refers to how to simplify the expressions. So expressions basically in this case contains brackets, it contains exponents, so generally it's basically polynomial expressions. Alright, so that's why you need to remember how to work with polynomials. First of all, if you see the brackets, that's of the first preference, of the highest preference operations, so that's why you need to expand the brackets. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this coefficient as the common factor, and we just distribute it to both terms. All right, so that's why you'll get 3x to the power 7 minus 3x cubed. Here is you have minus 2 factor, you also distribute it to both terms, so that's why you'll get negative 2x cubed minus 2x to the power 7 and minus 6. All right, so what to do next? The next step is to find similar terms, which is basically exponents to the power 7 and also another pair or group of terms which contain power 3. Okay, they're similar terms or like terms, the terms which has the same power of the exponent. All right, so that's why we can simplify them. In order to do that, so the actually strategy here, for example, I just show you why it's that, so that you understand. What I'm going to do, I'm going to factorize x to the power 7 because of the common factor, and in the brackets we'll get 3 minus 2. Okay, so you subtract, you'll get 1 times x to the power 7 is just x to the power 7. But the strategy here is pretty straightforward. You just don't touch the exponents. Okay, you leave as it is and work with numbers before the exponents. So basically you're working with coefficients. 3 minus 2 is going to be 1, so just 1 times x to the power 7 is just x to the power 7. All right, so next, minus 3x cubed and minus 2x cubed. And finally, you'll get minus 5x cubed using the same technique, and minus 6. So final expression is just x to the power 7 minus 5x cubed and minus 6. That's going to be the final expression because minus 6 is the free coefficient and you're not eligible to touch that. So just leave as it is. All right, so let's move to the next one.